على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. In the previous session we learned about diptotes or manar al-sarf, those words that do not receive tanween and do not receive kasra. We were not able to go over the lesson that day, so today we're going to go over that lesson inshallah. So everyone please turn to page 79. For those of you watching on YouTube, there's no new things to learn today, so we're only going to be looking at the book. So just turn to page 79 and follow along. Lesson 12. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How's everybody doing tonight?
Alhamdulillah. How are you, Brother Muhammad? Alright, so I think we just do one line. Brother Muhammad, you can sit there. So I think you can do one line per person, right? That's proper. But just read the Arabic until the period. So like Hamidun Tabibun, read till the period, and then translate, and then do the next part till the period. 79. Brother Abdullah, you can start. Bismillah. Hamid is a doctor. Mubtada khabar. Mubtada khabar. His wife is a teacher. Yep. Her name is Amina. Yep. Hamid has 4 sons. Yeah, that's fine. You can go. That's just names from here anyway. Hamzatu. Hamza, Uthman, Ahmad, Ibrahim. All 4 of these words are diptotes. Manar al-sarf. Ahmad because it is Hamza because it is a masculine name with a ta marbuta at the end. And then Uthman because it's a masculine name with a alif noon at the end. And then Ahmad because it is a masculine name on the wazn, on the pattern of af'alu. So af'alu, Ahmadu. Because of that, it is a diptote. And then Ibrahim because it is an Arabic, it is a name that is non-Arabic. Non-Arabic words are diptotes automatically. Keep going. Ahmad is a hardworking student and Hamza is a lazy student. Hamzatu talibun kaslanu. Again, kaslanu is another diptote. Why? Because one of the diptotes is an adjective that ends with alif noon. Correct? This is kaslanu. We learned this back in first semester. Do you remember? The last lesson of first semester, or second last lesson. Kaslanu, jaw'anu, atshanu, mal'anu. Right? Next lines, Brother Yaqub. Qala means he said. It's a verb. This is a new word. So, Qala means he said. We have already learned the whole pattern for past tense verbs, right? And we went over it too. So qala, the dual for it would be qala, plural would be qalu, and then singular masculine would be qalat, and then singular feminine, and then dual feminine qalata, and then so on and so forth. Same way that we had with like fa'ala and daraba and fataha. So for example, if I wanted to say I said, how would I say it? Okay. So it's supposed to be qalatu, right? But whenever there is a word that has a verb that has an alif in the middle, like this, when you put it in this form, for singular, like you're talking about myself, me, when you put in this form, the alif drops. So it becomes qultu. Like Allah says in the Quran, right? Ma qultu lahum illa ma amartani bihi. That Isa alayhi salam said that I only told them what you told me to tell them, right? Qultu. So it's not qalatu, it's qultu. And the same thing for us, we said. It's not qalana, it's qulna. Qulna. And not only that, it's the same thing for all second person tense. So, qulta, you one man said. Qultuma, you two men said. Qultum, all you men said. Qulti, you one woman said. Qultuma, again, you two women said. And then qultunna, all you women said. So the only time you will be using qala is in third person, past tense. Qala, qala, qalu, qalat, qalata, qulna. That's it. So up till qalata, and then after that, from qulna, that came out bad. From here on out, it's qul.
So what is cool when they say in the Quran, some of the surahs in there? What tense is that?
What?
When you say cool?
Oh, just qul?
Yeah.
Qul is a order. We didn't learn that yet, but order, like when you order someone to do something?
Right.
Yeah.
Just say it.
Right. So qul means say, right? We'll learn that inshallah soon when we get into present and future tense verbs. So qala, qala, qalu, qalat, qalata. These are the only ones that have qala. The rest of them, qul. So qulna, qulta, qultuma, qultum, qulti, qultuma, qultunna, and then qultu, qulna. And then obviously this is wrong. Everyone understand?
So, qala two becomes kultu.
Right. Just like qalana becomes qulna. Remember, Arabs do not like to have anything in their language that is difficult to pronounce. So so qalana, for example, qalatu, this is considered difficult to say because there's too much going on in the sentence. So instead, they just take out the alif and make it qultu, make it sweet and simple, right? Don't push yourself too hard with this. This is a whole different category of verbs called ajwaf, which means a word that has one of the huruf of mad in the middle, alif, waw, or ya. Ajwaf. Ajwaf. These verbs are verbs that have alif, waw, or ya in the middle. We're going to learn those next semester, inshallah. That's why I'm saying don't push yourself too hard. But since we learned the word qala, I thought I would show you the pattern. So now you can start your translation.
Qala Yusuf.
Mhm.
Yusuf said,
Mhm.
Indi khamsatu aqlam.
Mhm.
I have 10
Half of that.
oh, 5 pens.
Yes.
هذا قلم
You can turn that off.
أحمر.
Agua, I can't do it.
قلم
Hmm?
Agua, I can't do it.
أزرق. وهذا
Leave it on there.
أخضر. وهذا قلم أسود. وهذا قلم أصفر.
These are all diptotes. The reason being, they are all adjectives on the same pattern as Ahmad. Af'al, right? Af'alu. So Ahmaru, red. Azraqu, blue. Akhdaru, green. Aswadu, black. And Asfaru, yellow. All these are diptotes. They don't get tanween, they don't get kasra.
Could you write diptotes?
The word in English?
What does it mean?
Did it actually? So in the last lesson, you said that you don't know what it means.
No, I don't.
I looked it up, and it's actually like, I think, Wallahu a'lam, from what I was reading, it's a word that was invented specifically to describe the Arabic language in English.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't know what the word in English means. I have.
It's a word that only takes that, only has two forms. It only take these certain forms.
Yeah, so that's what the definition is. SubhanAllah.
What'd you say?
It's
It's a word that can only take two certain forms.
so basically dipto doesn't have a meaning in English. It was created. The word was created to explain words that don't get tanween, that don't get kasra. Yeah. SubhanAllah, that's interesting.
If you Google dipto, the definition of dipto has like the word fata in it and the word tanween in it.
SubhanAllah. That is amazing. I didn't even know that they made.
Used to describe something else.
Usually when you type in the search engine, it usually comes up diptoes in Arabic grammar. That just naturally fills it.
Yeah,
Most.
yeah.
SubhanAllah, that's interesting.
So,
Jazakallah for looking that up. Well, now we know.
I question you all the time when I look it up. Don't worry about it. Like I looked up how many words in the Arabic language too.
You did, mashallah.
12 million. You're right. It just keeps going. 12 million.
That's crazy.
English has 600,000.
And that's the second highest, right?
No. That's the highest. 12 million.
No, I'm saying that's the second. English is the second highest, right?
No. Korean.
Korean.
Korean, 1 million, 1.7 million, or something like that.
That's still like 1% of all of that. That's crazy.
It's crazy. I don't want to get off topic. So I don't have to translate this?
I think I just translated it for you, but go ahead. You can translate it.
Now I'm good.
You good? Okay. I have 5 pens. عندي 5 أقلام. I have 5 pens. This is a red pen. هذا قلم أحمر. وهذا قلم أزرق. This is a blue pen. وهذا قلم أخضر. This is a green pen. وهذا قلم أسود. This is a black pen. وهذا قلم أصفر. This is a yellow pen. Brother Arkan, you're next.
قالت زينب زينب said عندي مناديل كثيرة. I have a lot of napkins,
Handkerchiefs.
handkerchiefs. هذا أبيض وهذا أصفر وهذا أحمر وهذا أزرق وهذا أخضر. This is white, this one is white, and this one is yellow, and this one is red, and this one is blue, and this one is green.
Keep going.
قالت لها فاطمة. Fatima said to her, أعندك منديل أسود? Do you have a black handkerchief?
Keep going.
قالت, she said, لا, ما عندي منديل أسود. I do not have a black handkerchief.
It's not mandil, it's mindil. Kasra on the meme. Okay. Next.
قالت طلحة عندي مفاتيح كثيرة هذا مفتاح الغرفة وهذا مفتاح الحقيبة وهذا مفتاح السيارة. Talha said, I have a lot of keys. This one is the key to the room.
Yep.
Okay.
Key to the room. And then?
And this is the key to the bag, the bag, and this is the key to the car.
Key to the car. So, mafatihu is also a diptote. Why? Because it is one of the broken plurals on the form of mafa'il. On the form of mafa'il. Right? We learned the 4 different broken plural forms that become diptotes, right? Mafa'il. Next, Brother Abdullah.
قال سفيان said في بلدنا المسجد والمساجد ومدارس كثيرة. In our city, our masjids and schools, a lot of masjids and a lot of schools.
Right. Masajidu wa madarisu kathiratun, right? Kathiratun, a lot, is referring to the schools and the masjids. It's a sifat of both. Why? Because waw. The waw is transferring the effect, right? So it's actually masajidu kathiratun wa madarisu kathiratun. A lot of masajid and a lot of madaris. A lot of schools and a lot of masjids, right? Right. The waw is transferring the effect of the kathiratun to the masjid as well. That's why I told you waw is very important, right?
Can we go back to, can we go back to the previous sentence?
Sure.
This, عندي مفاتيح كثيرة. So, wouldn't مفاتيح have had dhamma anyway?
It would have had 2.
Oh, right, مفاتيح, you're right. Okay. And then كثيرة gets the
2 dhammas, why?
dhammas because مفاتيح
It's-
should have had 2 dhammas.
Right. It's a sifat. It's supposed to copy it. And technically, if it's supposed to have 2 dhammas, it copies what it's supposed to have, not what it's getting.
Right.
Now, why is kathiratun feminine?
Because it's first person singular.
Right. غير عاقل, right? Keep going, Brother Abdullah.
وفنادق قليلة.
Hotels. فندق فنادق.
And small hotels, a few hotels.
Few hotels. Yeah.
فهؤلاء الأطباء are these
What's atibba? Doctors, right. Plural of doctors. Tabibun atibba'u. Okay, before you do that, fanadiqu is also a dipto because it's on the form of mafa'ilu. Mim, fa, alif, ain, lam. Mafa'ilu. And then atibba'u is also a dipto, but the reason, and I brought this up the other day too, was because it's actually on the wazan, on the pattern of af'ila. Same thing as asdiqa.
and has the 2 parts because the
2 bas. Atbiba. That's why. It's supposed to be af'ila, atbiba, right? But then it has a tajdeed, so atibba, but it's on the wazn of af'ila. That's why it's a dipto.
Also, are they doctors? لا هم مدرسون. No, they are teachers. وهم علماء كبار. And they are great scholars.
Right. Ulama'u kibarun. Ulama'u fu'ala'u. Right? The wazn, the pattern. Okay. Brother Arkan and Brother Yaqub specifically, and Brother Muhammad, turn to page 82. I'm not going to teach this again. I don't have time for this, but it's on the thing. 1 through 8. These are the 8 reasons that a word becomes a dipto. Any one of these falls on, if a word falls under any one of these categories, becomes a dipto. Exactly. And if you look at the 8th one, there are 4 patterns. Af'ila'u, fu'ala'u, mafa'ilu, and mafa'ilu. And this is what I was saying as we went through and we looked at those words.
You said those are the hardest ones.
Yes, they are.
The diptos mean it's a broken plural, right? Diptos mean it's a broken plural.
No.
Reasons that it could be a bunch of different reasons.
A diptote just means a word that doesn't get tanween and doesn't get kasra. Ever. And one of those 8 reasons will make it a diptote. Not necessarily only being a broken plural. Okay, now everyone turn to page 84. I want everyone to do exactly one question and one answer, unless I say otherwise. Brother Abdullah, go ahead.
المدرس من أنت يا أخي teacher, who are you, oh brother, oh my brother?
My brother, right? And the answer?
Oh, أحمد أنا طالب جديد. Ahmed said, I am a new student.
I am a new student. Al-Mudarris, the teacher. Masmuka, what's your name? Ahmadu, ismi Ahmadu. My name is Ahmad. That was too easy. Brother Yaqub, next.
المدرس ما اسمك؟
No. I already did that.
I just thought I did.
Yeah, right. Next question.
المدرس من أين أنت؟
Hmm.
You want to do this one too?
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
Where are you from?
Mhm.
أحمد أنا من باكستان.
أنا من باكستان.
باكستان.
Na. Right? Fatha. Even though this was supposed to be kasra, min, harf jar. This is a diptote. Why is Pakistan a diptote?
Oh, it should Pakistan. It should have been Pakistan.
Yeah, it should have been Pakistanin with 2 kasras, but it gets 1 fatha. So remember I said that anytime a diptote is supposed to get a kasra, you give it 1 fatha, right? But why is Pakistan a diptote?
Because it's a non-Arabic
Excellent. Non-Arabic proper noun.
proper name.
Next, Brother Arkan.
المدرس عندي 7 دفاتر. لمن هي؟ The teacher. I have 7 notebooks. To whom do they belong?
Right.
عباس آتي يا أستاذ.
It's the same exact translation in Egyptian.
Okay. Bring them.
Right. Give them to me, basically. Hati.
Okay, right.
A'tini, right?
Right.
Right. So hati. Okay. Hati is a totally slang word, just so you know. Totally slang. It's not a verb, it's nothing. Okay, hati? Just so you know. Just learn it the way you learned marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan, all those words, right? Learn it like that.
And this meaning what bring to me?
Right. Give it to me. Hati. So translate.
هذه يا أستاذ. Give it to me يا أستاذ.
Right.
هذا لي. This is mine.
This one's mine.
This one's mine.
Mhm.
وهذا لمحمد.
Hmm.
And this one is for Muhammad.
Hmm.
وهذا لحامد وهذا لإبراهيم وهذا لعثمان وهذا ليوسف وهذا لطلحة. And this one is for Hamid.
For Hamid.
And this one is for Ibrahim.
Mhm.
And this one is for Uthman. And this one is for Yusuf. And this one is for Talha.
Pay close attention to the words, the names. The first 2, Muhammad and Hamid, are getting 2 kasras. Because there's a harf jar connected, right? Lam belongs to, right? Lam is a harf jar. So, li Muhammadin, li Hamidin. But then after that, they're all getting 1 fatha, which is a sign that they are all diptotes. Li Ibrahima. Ibrahim, non-Arabic proper noun, right? Li Uthmana, proper noun that ends with alif and noon. Li Yusufa, non-Arabic proper noun. Li Talhata, proper noun with ta marbuta at the end. So these 4 are diptotes. Next, Brother Yusuf.
المدرس هذا كتابك يا محمد. Is this your book, O Muhammad? محمد لا هذا كتاب حمزة. Muhammad, no, this is Hamza's book.
Do you remember when we learned mudaf ilay? And I told you mudaf ilay always gets kasra? This is one of the words, this is one of the times that it won't get a kasra. When a diptote is a mudaf ilay. So, هذا kitabu Hamzata. This is Hamza's book. It's supposed to be Kitabu Hamzatin, right? Because mudaf ilay. But Hamza is a dipto, therefore it will get one fatha. This is just to show you that no matter how it's supposed to get the kasra, it will still get a fatha. Right? Whether it's a harf jar, whether it's a mudaf ilay, right? It doesn't matter. If it's supposed to get a kasra, it gets a fatha. Right? So we already went through a bunch of harf jars, and now we're going through mudaf ilay.
So, and this is af'al,
Which one?
hamza.
No. It's a proper noun with a ta marbuta then, like Talha. Next, Brother Abdullah, right? Yeah.
I'm sorry, where are we?
Al-Mudarrisu Ayna Aliyun.
أين علي يا إخوان؟ Where's Ali of my brothers?
Oh, brothers. Ikhwan, brothers. Okay, Ikhwan, is Ikhwan a dipto? It's only getting one dhamma.
Yes,
Who says yes?
I say yes.
Raise your hand. Anyone else?
Yeah.
You think it's a dipto too? Who else?
Wait, no, because it's got one number.
Yeah.
Quran is not an Arabic word.
No, it's got alif noon. That would be the rule, but it would have to have dip.
Alif Noon proper nouns.
Oh, right.
It's not a proper noun.
Diptos, right?
Huh?
Is it diptos?
Wait, I need to see what the rest of the class thinks. Is it a dipto, Yusuf? What do you think?
Is it or Ikhwan or each word again? The word.
Ikhwan.
No.
What did he say? What do you think, Brother Arkan?
Not too sure. I would say that it is not.
Not a dipto? What does the word that comes after ya receive?
Only one.
Only one dhamma, right? So this is not getting one dhamma because it's a dipto. As for you, Brother Muhammad Khalifa, can't see your face properly, but this is definitely an Arabic word. I don't know what you're talking about.
I heard it in the cartoon.
You can hear it wherever you want. It's still an Arabic word.
The way I heard it, it didn't seem like it was an Arabic word.
Yeah, because they probably use it like in their language as well. But ikhwan is a pure Arabic word.
Okay,
Yeah, ikhwan is an Arabic word.
I'm right.
So, Ayna Aliyun ya ikhwanu, ikhwan is not a dipto. Remember, alif noon makes the word a dipto when it's a proper noun, not when it's just a noun. Proper noun means name, right? So only names that have alif noon connected with them. You understand? And what's the answer he gave?
So where's Ali of brothers? He went to Riyadh.
Ila riyadi, right? Kasra. Next sentence, Brother Yaqub.
المدرس وأين يعقوب the teacher and where is I don't know يعقوب حامد ذهب إلى مكة he went to Mecca.
Yeah. Makkata. Why is Makkata now getting one fatha? Tam marbuta proper noun?
Yeah.
There's another reason.
Non-Arabic word.
SubhanAllah. Would you believe me if I said Makkah is a non-Arabic word?
Of course.
Let me prove it to you. In the Quran, Allah doesn't say Makkah. What does He say? Bakka. That's the Arabic word.
So where did Bakr come from then? If it's not an Arabic word.
Ask someone else.
Called Becca, right?
It was called Bakka. Yep.
Becca, right? The Arabs changed it.
Right. إن أول بيت وضع للناس للذي ببكة. The first house that was created for man was in Bakka. Right.
It's in the Bible too. It's not like that.
It's in the Bible, Bakka too. Yep. Next. Okay.
المدرس أين إسحاق؟ The teacher. Where is إسحاق؟ محمد. خرج. He left.
He left. Ishaq is also a dipto, by the way, non-Arabic word. Yaqub and all his children, their names are usually non-Arabic because they used to speak different language, obviously, Hebrew, right? Yeah, and They were from Canaan, so they didn't speak Arabic. So Yaqub, Ishaq, Ismail, all of them, they all have non-Arabic names. Hebrew roots, yep. And then the last two, Yusuf.
Darasu, Mata, Araja, where did he go? Or
What does mata mean? When. Mata is when. We learned mata, right? We definitely learned mata, like first semester, right? Okay, mata is? When. So mata kharaja?
when did he go? Or
When did he leave? Yep.
Araja, Abla, Khamsi, Naqa'iq. He left before 5 o'clock.
Before he left 5 minutes ago. Okay. Daqa'iq is also a dipto on the wazn of mafa'il. Daqa'iq, mafa'il, right? Another thing, this was supposed to get a kasra because it's the sifat of khams, which is the mudaf ilay of qabl, which is acting as a mudaf. Right? Qabl, ba'd, fawqa, tahta, amama, khalfa, all these words act as mudaf. You guys forgot already? No, you remember, right? So all of them act as mudaf. So the qabl is acting as a mudaf, khamsi mudaf ilay, daqa'iq sifat. 5 minutes, right? It's getting one fatha because it's a dipto. You understand? Alhamdulillah. Now, for Thursday, obviously we're going to start a review on Thursday, but I want you guys to get a grasp of this dipto stuff. So the page after that, on the bottom, 85, it says Iqra waktub. Everyone see that? Read and write on bottom of page 85. It continues from there till page 86. There's 20 of them. Everyone see that? You don't have to write them. That's too much work. I just want you to go over them and know them. And then on Thursday, we're going to go over them together. Okay, inshallah?
So 20 of them is, right?
Huh?
There's 20 of them all together, right?
There's 20 of them altogether, yep. Any questions?
The qadiq, the singular is daqiqatun.
Daqiqatun, yep.
And with the, with the verb that you have there, qala, is after qalata, they become ashwaf.
After feminine second person, yep. No, they're ajwaf from the beginning.
Okay, that's what they're.
This is the rule for ajwaf. The rule for ajwaf is after that point it drops the alif.
So after qulna.
From qulna, yep, including qulna, yep. Feminine third person dual from there.
So that it would be
Qultuma.
and that's the form that it stayed, right?
Any other questions? Alright. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك اللهم ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.